Welcome to Gemma, world-renowned Pinnacle's final phase of their master plan community here in Mississauga. The amenities in Gemma include indoor-outdoor gym, kids play area, billiards room, party room, concierge, and many more exciting features. Now that I've told you about the inside amenities, let's talk about what's available outside. You have a Shoppers Drug Mart. The LRT is coming right across the street from this building, so almost direct access and easy access to the highway as well as public transportation. You might be wondering why Pinnacle and why Gemma. The big reason is that this is the final phase of a master plan community, and they have proven that being in a master plan community, your return on investment increases by over 20 to 21% versus standalone buildings. You have parking and locker included in the price. As I said earlier, it's in a master plan community. You also have the LRT coming right in front of your door. Some would say that would be enough to want to invest in this location, but that's not all. You also have amazing floor plans, great squares. There's not a lot of wasted space. Now that I've talked to you about the builder and told you about the great reputation they have, why work with us? Well, there's some great incentives that we bring to the table as well. Because of our relationship with the builder and Pinnacle, you're going to be able to get right to lease during occupancy. There's no mortgage pre-approval needed. That's a big thing here because Pinnacle is one of the very few developers that self-builds and self-finances their project. That's huge. The final thing I'll say on Pinnacle is that you not only see the buildings that they've already built here in Perla, Amber, and Crystal, but they are also building Canada's largest tower, 95 stories at One Yonge Street. They've also built the Pinnacle Center. They've also built many, many more projects in and around the city. So this is not a builder's first project. A great reputation with great finishes is what you want in your investment. So please, let's go take a look at the model suites. Now that we've seen the 1+ den at Gemma, let's take a look at the larger suite. If you'd like to get more information on why Gemma would be a great investment for yourself, please contact us below.